one.
What a cool place. Well, that's my transmitter goggles and my M2 charging. It's a wet day. Alright, we are gonna try to fly in the rain, because why not? Just a short flight. So close. So close. 4.35. Well, it was a complete success. It didn't crash. The Hydroshield Dip worked. Once again, of course. Yeah, it is pouring down rain today. I cannot believe it flew so valiantly. Yeah, that was great. Yeah, I am soaking wet. Time to get back in the vehicle. Get yourself some. Seriously, get yourself some. Get yourself some Hydroshield Dip. It's awesome, awesome. And I mean, I live in the Pacific Northwest. I have to protect my quads, and this allows me to do it without sacrificing weight. You can't even see it on there unless you shine a UV light on it. So get yourself some. And secondly, get yourself an M2 frame. These are awesome. So much fun. Dude, this thing rips, dude. For a 2S, it's aggressive, but so smooth. Hey, thanks for watching. Happy flying.